Jeffery, oh, here we go. 1 or 2. Gonna try Immaculate Baseball. 1 or 2. That's a 3. That's a 6. That's a 3. That's a 2. Alright. Number 2. Dang, nothing in here. I thought there'd be a redemption. No. Just regular cards. Alright, let's do it. Numbered to 99. This one is Joe Mauer. Justin Upton. That one's numbered to 99. Jersey. Miguel Cabrera. That one's 24 of 49. Pablo Sandoval, 1 of 25 patch. First one on the old stamp there. Gary Sheffield, 19 of 49 bat autograph. There you go. And we got one of the blue versions. All-Star autographs, 10 of only 10. Chris Sale. The blue version. Alrighty. Jeffrey, Jeff, thanks as always, man. I'll get it out tonight sometime. See ya.